Hello everyone, the topic of today is conduction of heat. Heat transfer. There are three ways of heat transfer. We have conduction, convection and radiation. The topic that we are going to talk about today is only conduction. Conduction of heat. If we put a metal spoon into a hot drink, after a while the spoon gets hot. The drink is hot and is a store of thermal energy. Some of the energy goes into the spoon and travels up. In this form occurs the process of thermal conduction. What is conduction? Particles in hotter places vibrate more quickly than particles in cooler places. Conduction is the flow of heat through matter by the collision of particles from the places of higher temperature to places of lower temperature. Most metals are good conductors of heat. So, if you see the picture that is given here, we have in this part here where the temperature is high, the molecules vibrate faster, and this vibration is transmitted to the particles that are close to this one, and then this vibration goes to travel along all the material. Conductors of heat. Metals such as copper, aluminium and steel are good thermal conductors. And just we said in the previous figure, is given here also that in solids the particles vibrate more at the hot end than in the cold end. Also in this figure here, if we put some nails in a metal rod and is heated in one end, they start falling from the part near to the hot source. Some materials such as wood, glass, cork and are called poor conductors of heat, and these also are called insulators. Insulators are used to prevent heat transfer between hot and cold places. For instance, the handle of the saucepan is made from insulators. Also, the handles of kettles is the same thing. So it prevents us from burning when we cook. Metal objects below body temperature feel colder than those of the same temperature made of poor conductors. This is because metal objects carry heat away from the hand, although all the objects are at the same temperature. Since air is one of the poorest conductors, is one of the best insulators. Houses are built with two walls separated by an air space, and windows are double glassed. This keeps heat inside in winter and outside in summer. So it's the thermal isolation that is used in houses to prevent the heat escape during the winter. Also is the reverse during the summer. So I have here three figures and I need from you to explain these figures. 4 keeps animals warmer in winter. The question is why? These were all for today. So let's hope the lesson is clear. Bye.